First of all, thank you to World Vision for giving us this opportunity to come and see the work that you do. As he was saying, I've been a sponsor since 2004, and it was just at a Ron Canoli concert that I started sponsoring the first child, who's now in 10th standard. He's Jeevlal. He lives in Melghat. He's not here. He's in Pune. Since then, I think more than the child growing, I think I have grown to love the child as if it were my own. Through the various things that World Vision does, we see what happens in the community. We see the regular reports that come from there. Every year, his birthday, whenever he passes exams, I make sure that I remember that particular day when he's going for his exams to just say a quick prayer for him so that he'd do well in his exams. So the journey has been good. Last year when I had come for another sponsors meet, that's when I sponsored a second child, Akhila Anteshwari, who's from the Bal Jyoti project. That has also been a real eye-opener. I was speaking to some of the staff today from World Vision, and I came to know about the various things that these children go through. It's not about we read in the newspapers every day about all the things that happen to these children on the streets, and it's not about us just getting worked up about it and just saying that if only the world were different, if only things would change. It's about being that change. And I may not be able to go into the community like the people from World Vision do, but I'm glad that with the small amount that we are able to put towards the projects, that I'm able to make a change in these children's lives, and seeing them perform, seeing them talk about how their lives have changed. I feel that my life has changed for the better by seeing all of them. So again, I would say thank you to World Vision. You are just as an extension of what I would like to do, but I am not able to go there. But seeing you do something and seeing the ways that you touch the community, I am so happy that these children have a hope and a future, and things will change. Like the child was crying out in that video, will things ever change? Yes, things will change as long as there are organizations like World Vision, and a big thanks to all of you for doing such a great job that you are doing. Thank you so much.